Welcome to Quick Grade Educational Hub. Now today our focus is still on research method. In our previous video we discussed interpreting qualitative data sources. Now in today's lesson our focus is going to be on interpreting quantitative data sources. As sociology students, I'm sure you are familiar that in research method they always give you a source, and the source could be qualitative or quantitative. So once we've discussed qualitative in our previous video, we are going to look at quantitative data sources today. If you look at the title of the source, you have average life expectancy in 1950 and 2019 in selected countries. So without wasting much time, let's look at our questions and how we can interpret quantitative data sources. Our focus is going to be on the command word identify. In my next video, which is the part 3 of research method, my focus will be on the command word explain, how to identify something from the source and explain further for you to earn all the full marks. Now the first question, from source A, identify the two countries that have the highest life expectancy in 1950. So they are asking you, the student, to identify the two countries from the data or from the source with the highest life expectancy in 1950. So you come to the 1950 column, then you realize that in 1950, if you look at the figures that we have here, we have Hong Kong, which is 64, and then the second highest is what? Is Egypt, 49. There's something I want to draw attention to. If you look at my answers here, you see that they've written Hong Kong and Ghana. That is wrong, because if you compare it to the data, Ghana is 48 and Egypt is 49. So clearly it is Hong Kong and Egypt. And so I want to urge all the students that if you download a material or if you download materials from the internet, make sure that you always confirm your answer in the source rather than what? Focusing or fully believing what the math scheme says. Let's move on to question 2. From source A, identify two countries that have the lowest life expectancy in 2019. And so right now, our focus is on what? The lowest life expectancy in 2019. Two countries. So if you look at the life expectancy here, we have Ghana, which is 66, and then we have Botswana, which is 70. If we compare our answer to what we have here in the scheme, it is Ghana and Botswana, which is correct. Now, quickly, let's look at question number 3. From question 3, from source A, identify the two countries that have the biggest increase in life expectancy between 1950 and 2019. So what you have to do is that here, you have to do some calculations here. You take the 1950 figures and then you subtract it from what? The 2019 figure to see the rate of what? Increment. So if I take Mauritius in 1950 minus, and I deduct it from what? Life expectancy in 2019 of Mauritius, you see that the increment is what? Is 30. So you have to do it for all the data to see what the difference, then you pick your two best answers. And so if you look at it, it is Argentina and Mauritius. So if you look here, like I said, Mauritius is 45 in 1950, and then there was an increment of 30, making it 75 in 2019. So you always have to do this permutation to get your full answer. Now this is where we'll end the lesson today. My next video will focus on the command word explain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then share the video so that other colleagues will get access to it. I'll see you in my next video.